So here I am, and I will show you how to use Windows 11 in your web browser. So you don't need to download anything. All you have to do is just go on your browser and search for a website. That's all you need to do, really. So without talking too much, let's just immediately go on the browser, and I'm gonna give you guys the link in the description down below for the website. However, if you don't want to go down below because I don't know, you can just type Windows 11 in React, right? And here you want to click the first one, this one that says Win11 Blue Edge, right? Not this one that says pages.dev, but the first one, because this one has more things, right? And here you have it. You have Windows 11. You don't need to do anything else, really. And if you want to remove here the page of the browser and the navbar, you just press F11 on your keyboard, and this is it. Like, you literally can use Windows 11. For example, if you try to right click on the desktop, you can just have this menu, which is not the menu of Windows 10, but is actually the menu of Windows 11. So this is pretty cool. Like, here you can see the taskbar that works. It works perfectly here. So let's start simple, right? Let's for example open here, and you can see you have a bunch of applications that you can open, but we will open them later. And then here we have like the search bar where you can search things, and this thing actually works, right? You can see terminal, I'll say Pinterest, Twitter, like it works perfectly. And then here, if you click on this one, you have the feature of Windows 11, the latest feature, which are these widgets, which I, to be honest, don't really like, but they might be useful for someone, not personally for me. You can see the transparency effects here, and then the settings here don't work. Maybe they will release something soon, but I'm not really sure. And also the Fire Explorer doesn't work because it's coming soon, right? But pretty much you can preview Windows 11 in a simple way. And then here we have the icons, right? Unfortunately, we cannot change the background here. They might add a feature later, I'm not sure. But here you can see you have a bunch of applications, right? This Uniscape, I don't know what it is, to be honest. I tried it and it seems like a normal website. Maybe a game, but it doesn't do anything really, so don't click that. The recycle bin doesn't work as well. If I try to click it, doesn't work. And then we have like the Microsoft Store, which is really good looking. You can see all the apps, you can see these UI widgets and stuff. And of course, these applications don't work, right? You cannot do anything with this. But it's a nice looking store. Then something that is really cool is Spotify. You can see Spotify here. And you can actually play the song, right? It works here. Anyway, it works, right? But you cannot search for your favorite songs. Then what do we have? We have some games here. I'm gonna try them later. Let's actually try the browser, because this is really cool. Like, you can literally run a browser inside of a browser. This doesn't make any sense, but it's so cool. This works perfectly as a browser, right? And you can actually search for stuff. Like, let's search for YouTube. I didn't spell that right, whatever. But yeah, you can see like it works perfectly. You can go to YouTube, and something that I really want to do is just go inside of the Windows 11 website and just see if it works. If it works, this is perfect. I think it works, yeah. Like, you can open 100 Windows 11s and just run the same. Look at this. Okay, let's just not do that, right? I'm gonna close the browser for now. And let's actually try the games, because something that is really cool about these applications is that you can run Minecraft on Windows 11 on a browser. Like this is perfect, right? Of course, this is not the original Minecraft. I mean, it's like some fake copy, but it works. And something that is really cool is that you can actually invite your friends. Okay, let's put a name. This is a cool name. And this is Minecraft. You can literally play Minecraft. Of course, this is like not as fun as the original Minecraft, but it works. And you can actually build, I think. Yeah, it's a little stupid, but it works. I mean, it's so cool to say that you can play Minecraft in Windows 11 in a browser, right? I'm not gonna do a gameplay of Minecraft, but just know that it works. So let's close Minecraft, and let's actually move on. Let's play Conquer. Alright, Conquer is a game that I really like and I played for a while. Cool. Oh shit. Okay, enough for Conquer. I think if you just go and play the original game or your PC, it's much better, but you know, still cool. The last thing which I didn't show you guys is probably this like icons here, but these four don't work, and these work, but it doesn't do much. It's a calendar, so nothing special. And here also you have the notifications with these things. You have the night light, which works. Then you have like the offline mode, but it's probably not that useful. And that's it for the video. I think I've shown you enough. I think we can just close the video, right? So yeah, bye guys. I hope that this was fun.